If you're convinced your breakup isn't the end, if you can't stand the idea of being just friends, if you want your ex back and you're willing to do anything to make it happen, then you must follow these 6 rules or you'll lose them, guaranteed. Hi, I'm Jessica Voss, and I'm on YouTube to share the proven relationship secrets that I've built my career on as a relationship specialist. These tips have helped so many of my clients restart love with their ex, and they can work for you too. Please like and subscribe if you find this info helpful. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, don't text them more than once a week. I know you're afraid they're going to forget about you, but there's nothing less attractive than someone who won't leave them alone. Whether or not this breakup is the end, you two definitely need some time apart. And you can't have that if you're blowing up each other's phones every second of the day. I'm sure you know what it feels like to have someone you don't want to talk to constantly contacting you. You never want to make your ex feel that way. By all means, if they text you, respond. But if they're not reaching out, and if they barely respond, don't text them. A good rule is to text them less than once a week. Because even if they seem to be responding positively, there's a chance they're just being polite. Rule number 2, don't date their friends. Dating during your breakup can be helpful to the process. It can give you confidence, make your ex jealous, and get your mind off of sadness. But there are some lines you don't cross. Don't date, hit on, or have sex with your ex's friends, coworkers, or family. If there's any doubt, steer clear. You'll look like a complete jerk, and many people won't forgive you after that kind of betrayal. Number 3, don't have sex with them. I get it. You want to. They want to. But sex with an ex is like a bald guy with an earring. It's not a good look. If you got dumped, you shouldn't let them continue to use you for sex. You're giving them comfort and helping them get over you. Get your rocks off somewhere else and leave them with breakup blue balls if you ever want them to come crawling back. Rule 4, do not tell them you miss them. You want them to know that they hurt you. Trust me, they do. If you complain to them about the breakup, you'll only be the source of sadness, insecurity, and resentment for them. They can't make you feel better. No one ever responded to, I miss you with, okay, let's get back together then. It doesn't make sense. They knew you'd miss them when they dumped you, and that didn't stop them. It won't change their mind now. Rule number 5, don't complain on the internet. It can be cathartic to let loose a veiled post about how mad you are at your ex, but first, you're not as subtle as you think you are. And second, you look petty as hell. Nothing good ever came from a subtle tweet or selfie with tears in your eyes. Talk to your friends, your family, or a therapist. That's what they're there for. Outside of about 10 cute animal videos, the internet has never made anyone feel good, and I'll give you that Jessica Voss guarantee. The Jessica Voss guarantee is not applicable in Alaska or Hawaii. Please contact your doctor before your drug test with your ex at 2 in the morning on a Wednesday. An unwritten rule when it comes to getting your ex back is to go to jessicaboss.com/video. That link will take you to Brad Browning's Ex Back Guide. He's a really smart guy and goes into extreme depth on all the steps to take to reattract your ex. A lot of people I know have found it really helpful. Rule number 6, do more, not less. It's important to take a couple of days to recover after a breakup, but don't let it turn into a week or 2 or more. I know you feel like shit. I've been there. But if you listen to that little voice in your head telling you to lie on the couch until they come back to you, you're never going to get your ex back. This time is so important. Don't waste it on self-pity. Get out in the world and do what needs to be done. Stay active, see your friends and family. Follow through on your obligations. Even if you feel like you're just keeping up appearances, do it. Like a very sad shark, you need to swim forward or you won't make it. This will get your mind off your ex, give you positive reinforcement, and make you more attracted to them going forward. Show them you can function without them, even if you feel like you can't, and you both will be better off. Don't let your breakup break down. These are the 6 golden rules that I have my clients follow when they begin to try to win their ex back. These aren't the only steps you'll need to take, but they help minimize risk and maximize your chances of saving the relationship. What about you? Do you have any more rules that I'm missing that you follow to get your ex back? Please comment below and I'll let you know what I think. You might even inspire my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!